Welcome. In this session, we shall be deliberating as to what are going to be the postdoctoral programs. For it, the initiation in continuity of the doctoral projects can be had in terms of a wider available domain of the spreadsheet. Its initiation point as one of the projections is as Per Brahm Udgit. Per Brahm Udgit is the initiation in terms of which, in continuity of Anand Savrup Brahm, we can draw our projects, postdoctoral programs can be drawn. Therefore, for the initiation into this postdoctoral programs domain, one may put to oneself Anand Savrup Brahm state of intelligence, and the consciousness base of such state of intelligence will bring us face to face with the values that 28 as a domain will split into a pair of domains of value 26. We know value 26 is the value which is of quadruple organization of hypercube 7 format. It is the pole star, a 7 space format, and it is of a transcendental order. 5 space is playing the role of a dimension of 7 space domain. It is this phenomenon of eternity domain of value 28, Brahman domain, which is having a specific expression format for northern hemisphere as well as for the southern hemisphere. Both hemispheres having transcendental order. It is this feature of transcendental order simultaneously available for both the hemispheres, which has a promise of a chase from Akash Tattva as fifth element, permitting transcendence within it for the self-referral domain of a solar universe. How our sun, a 6-space body, is stabilized in this transcendental space of transcendental order for both hemispheres is the click in terms of which our postdoctoral programs will help us to be parallel with the way the Jyoti flow from orb of the sun permeates as superimposition upon the transcendental order. It is a fifth stage reach up till Akash Tattva. So the fifth fold up till value 5 will help us appreciate that the first step as value 1 as a linear order will be manifesting a solid domain, a three-space domain. And we also know that solid domain, a three-space domain, is of 7 versions. 7 versions of hypercube 3, the representative regular body of 3 space in creator's space, or the representative bodies of 7 geometries range. It is this organization which sequentially from first step to the second step will be of value 14, which is of organization 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 parallel to the fourfold manifestation layer of 4 space. So it is this reach at the second step, means from the solid, from a Prithvi Tattva, we will be reaching the Apa, the water, the second Tattva, the second element. And step ahead, the value 21, which is of organization 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6, parallel to the format of a Sthapatya miring rod, will take to the third element, the fire element. The fire element is the third element, and it is of value range 21, which is parallel to the format of Sthapatya miring rod, a synthetic format of values 1 to 6. We know that Apa, the second element, the water element, is of a spatial order. Now it is this feature which will help us appreciate that the 21st shloka and 28th shloka of chapter 1 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita are the only pair of shlokas of the entire range of 700 shlokas of the text of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, which split into a pair of ranges. Shloka 21 and Shloka 28 of chapter 1 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita are the only 2 shlokas which have been the participation of 2 participants. The shloka 21 has participation of Sanjay as well as of Arjuna. First half of shloka 21 and second half of shloka 21 are the participation of distinct participants. Likewise, shloka 28 as well is having a participation for its first part of distinct participant and for its second part of another participant. This will further help us appreciate as to how a step ahead at the 5th phase and stage, when we will be having a value range 35, it will take us to the solid order at the dimension of dimension phase and stage. This value 35 accepts the format of 5x7 grid. The 5x7 grid accommodates all the 35 double-digit numbers of six-place value system. One may have a pause here and have a fresh visit to the domain boundary ratio of hypercube 6. The Jyoti flowing from orb of the sun, from the origin of six space, from origin of hypercube 6, is having a flow within the Akash Tattva, the fifth element. And hypercube 6 is having domain boundary ratio a raised to power 6 is to 12 b raised to power 5. The transcendental boundary of 12 components accepts an organization as 5 plus 7. The transcendental boundary of 12 components of self-referral domain accepts an organization as 12 equal to 5 plus 7. It is this feature which deserves to be comprehended well. We know that 5 cross 7, 35, and 5 plus 7 is equal to 12. Together make it value 47, which is parallel to the range of 47 shlokas of chapter 1 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Further, we know that six space has a printout in two space as hexagon. Likewise, transcendental domain, 5 space domain, has its printout in two space as pentagon. It is this simultaneous manifestation as domain and boundary, and the parallel printouts as hexagon and pentagon will bring us face to face with that as far as the pentagon is concerned, it has internal pentagon because of the intersection of the internal diagonals of a pentagon, and none of the internal diagonal passes through the center of the pentagon. So the internal pentagon as well as the external pentagon are so established within each other that none of the sides or none of the diagonals pass through the center. Therefore, this phenomenon is of ad infinitum continuum process. So the center has a space around it that it prohibits for any of the diagonals to be through it. While on the other hand, hexagon permits 3 of its diagonals to be through the center, while the remaining 6 do not pass through the center. It is this organization of 3 diagonals passing through the center and double of them, 6 of them, not passing through the center, make a phenomenon of filtering. It is this filtering organization format which deserves to be chased to have full exploitation of the flow of the Jyoti through orb of the sun, transcending through space and reaching us at the earth. The applied values format is of such potentialities that the postdoctoral programs can be had for all blissful lifespan requirements for all of us. This chase and the format will be having the feature of 960 cubes coverage for the universe, 6 space sun as 6 space body as hypercube 6 is having transcendental boundary of 12 components. The fifth element, the Akash Tat, as hypercube 5 is enveloped within creative boundary of 10 components. And further, the creative domain hypercube 4 is enveloped within a solid boundary of 8 components. This provides us a 960 cubes coverage for the universe. Therefore, the entire flow of Jyoti from orb of the sun transcending through the fifth element, the space, the Akash Tattva, and reaching us is of a coverage of 960 cubes. Therefore, we can chase the Jyoti flow from orb of the sun as a package of 960 cubes. So each cube, a Jyoti cube, is of values, of features of the Jyoti. So Jyoti cube 960 in number will be available, and the same can be properly organized for their exploitation. It is this phenomenon, it is this feature, it is this organization format which will help us appreciate that the formulation per Brahm is of value 7 plus 28 is 35, and the formulation Udgit as well is of value 35. So per Brahm Udgit is a format of value 70. Let us visit the domain split spectrum of the Jyoti. We know that the cube as Jyoti domain, as dimensional domain at the initial stage will have the first split into a pair of domains. At second step, those pair of domains will lead to the spectrum of 5 streams, 5. The next step will be of 12 streams, then it will be of 29 streams, and at the fifth stage, it will be of 70 streams. Therefore, the Jyoti flow from orb of the sun will reach the space, the fifth element, as 960 cubes. These 960 cubes set up will again provide us 70 streams for each of these cubes. From here we can have an idea how the Jyoti flow from orb of the sun is of the order of 70 streams for each of 960 cubes, Jyoti cubes. Therefore, our program of chase of the Jyoti flow for its exploitation for our blissful requirements is of very big range. To have a complete appreciation and to have a complete comprehension of the way this program is to be detailed, let us revisit the steps through which the mathematical mind has perfected itself. As a first step of sequential schooling, the foundation is laid of the sequential organization of 3 space, 4 space, 5 space, and 6 space. At graduation stage, the values acquired are of the organization of Triloki and Trimurti. The way Triloki is sustained by Trimurti is the range of values which provide us the degree of perfection of mathematical mind of Vedic mathematics graduates. A step ahead at post-graduation stage, the degree of perfection goes parallel to the transcendental values spreadsheet of the solar universe, being the organization format of Sakal Rigved Samhita. A step further ahead, the post-graduation research stage adds formatted eternity domain values. And it is in this background that the stage is reached where the programs can be organized for blissful lifespan virtue. For it, we have to be face to face with the way this format is sequentially organized. The 10 phases and stages of unfolding steps of this format are as Om, Paranava, Om, Onkar, Udgit, Vashatkar, Saptabhumi, Ashtprakriti, Navbrahm, and Parbrahm. TCV values tabulation for these 10 unfolding phases are 16, 36, 19, 32, 35, then 38, 39, 29, 45, and 35. See, the cyclic order will add value 16 and the summation value will come to be 350, which is 10 times 35. It is 10 times the value of a Parbrahm. And we know that the text of Srimad Bhagavad Gita is the text of 700 shlokas range. Therefore, our postdoctoral programs for chase of Jyoti flow from orb of the sun and its transcendence through Akash Tat and its final reach up till the core of the earth will have proper flow parallel to the organization format of the text of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. The first chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita is of the range of 47 shlokas. The last chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, the 18th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, is of 78 shlokas range. The difference value 78 of 78 and 47 is 31. We know value 31 is the synthesis value of a pair of transcendence ranges of a linear order. Further, we know that value 31 is parallel to the 31 structural components setup of cube, hypercube 3, the representative regular body of 3 space. As such, the sadhakas are fulfilled with intensity of urge to undertake postdoctoral programs for chase of the Jyoti flow from orb of the sun and its flow range up till core of the earth shall have sequential chase of the 10 inner folds beginning with Om and reaching up till Parbrahm. And further, one shall be face to face with the organization format of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. This will further take us to the detailed, analyzed organization of Chandogya Upanishad. Sadhakas fulfilled with intensity of urge to reach at the applied values of such programs of chase of a Jyoti flow from orb of the sun till its reach up till core of the earth shall sequentially follow the organization format features of Chandogya Upanishad, beginning with its first Prapatak. It is the Udgit Vidya, and it is this format of the Udgit Vidya of chapter 1 which will help facilitate the practical chase. Likewise, one shall sequentially follow from Prapatak 1 to Prapatak 2, which is Sama Sadhu. It is this Sama Sadhu format which will bring us face to face with a dimensional frame, a solid dimensional frame of half dimensions available for each of the pair of the hemispheres of our solar universe. It is this feature which will further facilitate to have a practical steps for the program. And at Prapatak 3, there is a Madhu Vidya, and it is this Madhu Vidya which will help appreciate as to how within creators the space, for space, which is of a spatial order, the transcendental domain splits into a pair of transcendental domains. It is this feature of split of transcendental domain into a pair of transcendental domains for the transcendental order within northern hemisphere as southern hemisphere, which deserves to be fully comprehended. The fourth Parpatak is the Sagun Vidya and in uh, Sanvarga Vidya, and this Sanvarga Vidya will bring us face to face with the way the transcendental domain, five space, which is having self-referral origin, will permit transcendence at the origin, and the same is going to be of the value 5 plus 6 plus 5, and the split at the origin of the creator's dimensions is going to a value 4, 5, and 4. These together values are of summation value 29, which is parallel to the TC value of Brahma, the creator. Therefore, this program so organized and so formatted for chase of a Jyoti flow from orb of the sun for its reach up till core of the earth, when will be reaching up till the Sanvarga Vidya phase and stage of fourth Parpatak of Chandogya Upanishad. It will provide us this whole range of features. And a step ahead at the phase and stage of the fifth Parpatak, we will be at the Saguna Vidya, and it is this Saguna Vidya which will help us have a reach from one hemisphere to the another hemisphere. It is this reach from, say, northern hemisphere to southern hemispheres, and also from the southern hemispheres to the northern hemisphere as seven streams with seven space as a domain of a transcendental order. So five space as dimension leading to seven space as a domain, and further as three space is playing the role of dimension of a five space, and three space is having seven geometries range. So the intercoordination is such, it is a solid coordination because of which the northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere remain coordinated as a solid domain, despite the fact it is a synthetic setup of half transcendental domain of northern hemisphere and half transcendental domain of the southern hemisphere. A step ahead at the phase and stage of the sixth Parpatak, there is going to be a creation sequence. It is this creation sequence which deserves to be appreciated as a domain, as a threefold. We know three space has seven geometries arranged, and the synthesis of the solid dimensions will sequentially take us to value 0, 3, 5, 6, 6, 5, 3, and 0. It is this parabolic organization, and it is this value of reach from 0 to 3 to 5 to 6, and in the reverse orientation from 6, 5, 3, 0, which will further help us appreciate how the solar universe is formatted for its creation sequence, which is simultaneously a synthetic setup of pair of hemispheres and also is a solid creation domain as a sphere. So sphere as a solid domain and sphere as a synthetic setup of pair of hemispheres is the reach of the organization format up till Prapatak 6. A step ahead, the stage will be when this solid phase and stage of organization of a sphere will take at its center as a creative origin. It is the creative origin of the solid domain which will make a organization of value 28 at the core of the solid origin. It is this reach which is of a promise that the eternity domain has come into play, and as a result thereof there is going to be a Parbrahm phase and stage as origin of an origin. It is this origin of a origin phase and stage which is the promise of the blissful lifespan. Therefore, the postdoctoral programs for their practical detailing shall be of the format of a Pingala Chandas Sutram. It's chapter 1, which is of 15 sutras range, is detailing in its initial 8 sutras the way the reach is to be of transcendence phenomenon from 7 geometries range of 3 space domain to the 8 components of the solid boundary of the creator's space. It is this reach which is a reach of ensuring the practical success of the postdoctoral programs for chase of Jyoti flow from orb of the sun till its reach up till core of the earth. These programs are of great promise. It is this promise of these programs which will encourage the sadhakas to enter upon and to enrich the life on earth. It is this promise for which I highly recommend that these postdoctoral programs be undertaken. Thank you very much.